Hey guys, latest news with Crypto Marie, local and international. I don't know about you guys, but I've always thinking about retiring if I were to make some money from crypto market or the stock market because I'm just tired and exhausted of working 12 hours at nighttime, and listen, it gets overwhelmed. But then when I came to this article, Suze Orman warns people not to retire if you only have $2 million. It says $2 million is nothing. Suze Orman warns don't retire if you don't have at least $5 million or $10 million saved. On the Afford Anything podcast, Suze Orman delivered a pointed critique on the notion of retiring early with a $2 million portfolio. She was direct in her advice, emphasizing the insufficiency of such an amount for early retirement. $2 million is nothing, Orman declared. It's nothing. It's pennies in today's world. To tell you the truth, things are expensive now, y'all. Orman expanded on the potential financial danger that could deplete such saving quickly. If you have $20 million, $40 million, $50 million, or $100 million, be like me. Okay, if you have that kind of money and you want to retire, fine, she explained, contrasting this with the risk faced by those with less substantial sums. But if you only have a few $100,000 or $1 million or $2 million, I am here to tell you, if a catastrophe happens, what are you going to do? You are going to burn alive. Addressing the common retirement strategy of withdrawing 4% annually, Orman was skeptical. I think that in the long run, $80,000, especially after taxes, and as you get older, is not going to be enough. You may think it's going to be enough, but it's just not, she stated firmly. So guys, if you're planning to retire, make sure you have at least $5 to $10 million. $2 million, $1 million, a few thousands is not going to make it. Again, subscribe. Let me know how you feel. How would you plan to live with $2 million? Would you still live in your life normally, or what is it? I would love to retire, but to have $5 million, $10 million, it's not easy. Subscribe. May God bless you. Have a wonderful one. Thank you. Bye.